Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here because I've already been inside of it. The package on the outside, I wasn't sure what it was, so I opened it up and I realized, oh okay, I know what this is. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So this is a Lightning OTF, except it's a newer version, apparently called the Lightning Elite. I did not know that this existed. Yeah, I've already handled it. So here's the truth. I went ahead and picked up a brand new regular Lightning, right? This is my brother's. This, you guys have seen this one on the channel forever. This is an older one from like 2017, right? And I did a video, you know, talking about, recently I've talked about the Lightning before, right? By the way, this is not a comprehensive review. Those of you wondering, why isn't he reviewing it? I'll do a full comprehensive review of the Lightning Elite down the road. This is unboxing and first impressions for you guys. Anyways, I've talked about this guy a bunch. I've referenced it a bunch, and a lot of people were telling me, dude, the Lightning has changed a little bit. You should really check out a new one because it feels a little different. So I thought, okay, I'll go ahead and buy a brand new one. So this one's actually brand new, like literally has not been used. And I said, you know, great, I'll do a, you know, is the Lightning still worth it in 2020? Somebody messaged me on Instagram and said, hey, what do you think about the Lightning Elite? I was a Lightning Elite. What do you mean? And he was like the newer version of the Lightning. No idea that it even existed. I have no idea how long this thing has existed. But I went and looked, and they're $5 more than a standard Lightning. So instead of 30, they're 35. So I was like, oh, geez. So I had already actually done a video comparing a brand new Lightning, right, with an older one. I'm going to scrap that. I'm actually going to talk about, at some point, you guys are going to get a full video of the Lightning Elite, which you can see here is a little bit different. This drop point blade, this is, you know, the standard drop point blade in a Lightning versus the newer one, which now has a fuller in it. The screws are a little bit different. The texture pattern's a little bit different. The fit and finish is a little bit better on the Lightning Elite, and the pocket clip is pinned down in a way that's a little bit more secure. A lot of the lines are very similar, like in terms of ergonomics, but they've changed a few things. You know, for $5 more, this is just enough better to where it's, you know, it's interesting, right? So this will make an interesting video. For all I know, the Lightning Elite could have been around for over a year, right? Or it could have just come out. I have no idea. It's new to me. I'm sure there's a lot of people who don't know about it. So we're going to do a video talking about the old Lightning, a newer version of the Lightning, and then the most recent version of the Lightning, the Elite. It's interesting. I'm going to try and do that here fairly soon, so you guys can expect a video on that. You can only get these at Grindworks and I think the Lightning OTF website right now. So I'll let you guys check that out if you want to. I don't have an affiliate thing set up with them, so I wish I did. That'd be cool, but I don't. But anyways, yeah, this is interesting. Very, very interesting. I'm going to save a lot of my you know, all my thoughts and all the comprehensive stuff for the actual review and comparison. But for today, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.